If you're making short and inspiring videos, hold on. YouTube won't let you make money from your videos anymore. Why? Recently, YouTube made new rules about making money, especially for videos created by AI. One rule is that if your videos look too similar with the same background and music, you cannot earn money from them. An example is the YouTube channel called Daily Facts Worth. This channel used to do well, but now, according to YouTube's new rules, it's considered too similar and you cannot earn money from them. Imagine putting in a lot of effort to grow your channel, and one day you wake up to an email saying your hard work won't pay off. That's tough. In today's video, I'll share a cool way to make motivational short videos using special AI tools that can help you earn money. This method is pretty new, and only a few channels know about it. Let me show you an example. There's a channel called Trend Risk with lots of subscribers, and one video that got over 2 million views. What's awesome about this channel is that instead of just regular motivational shorts, they tell interesting short stories using AI. You can even upload these videos on Instagram. Check out this account bringing millions upon millions of views by uploading these videos right. By doing this, the YouTube computer magic thing sees their videos as really different and special, and more people get to watch them. Let me play a bit of one of their videos so you can see what I mean.
Brutally honest truths about life. Number 5 is the hardest, but if you overcome it, it will change your life. Number 1. Happiness is not about getting all you want. It is about enjoying all you have. Number 2.
All right, let's do something awesome together. If you stick around till the end of this video, I'll show you how to make something even cooler than what others are doing. Ready? First, we need a tool called ChatGPT to help us write a script for our video. I've set up a simple task for you. Just ask ChatGPT to act like a YouTube script writer and make a script about whatever topic you want. In no time, ChatGPT will create a fantastic script for your video. It's super easy. Alright, let's turn our script into a cool voiceover. I'm using 11 Labs for this, and it has some seriously real-sounding voices. Check the link in the description to try it yourself. Take your time picking a voice that fits your topic. Deep and soothing works for motivation and success. I like Adam's voice, but there are many more in 11 Labs. Pick one, paste your ChatGPT script, and hit generate. Boom! Your voiceover is ready in a snap. If you're enjoying this video, a thumbs up and a subscribe would mean a lot. Now that we have our impressive voiceover, let's move on to the next step, visuals. For this, I'll guide you through using Canva. Canva is a fantastic tool with loads of free videos. Head over to Canva and click on Videos. Since our video is about motivation and success, search for footage of luxury cars, homes, vacations, or travel. Download as many as you can find. These visuals will add that extra oomph to your short video, making it engaging and exciting. Once you have your voiceover and visuals ready, alright, on to the last step. We're using CapCut to put our whole video together. Import your video footage and the voiceover from a CapCut to click Modify to name your project. Change the frame size to 9:16, scroll down, and hit save. Drag the voiceover and video footage to the timeline, adjusting each video to cover the entire screen. Once that's done, add transitions every 3 to 5 seconds for that extra flair. Our video is coming to life. To make it even more engaging, let's add captions. Customize the font by changing the color and size to your liking. And oh, don't forget the background music. Pick something soothing and lower the volume a bit so it's not too loud. Our video is ready, and here's the final result.
Hey, success seekers! Today we're diving into the secrets of triumph. Buckle up for unveiling success. 5 must-know facts. Fact 1. Success demands hustle. It's not just a dream. It's a journey of relentless effort and late-night grinds. Fact 2. Teamwork makes the dream work. Success thrives on collaboration and learning from diverse perspectives. Fact 3. Failure is a stepping stone. Embrace setbacks as opportunities to learn and grow stronger. Fact 4. Success is sweeter when shared. Cherish the journey with your loved ones. They're your biggest supporters. 5. Define your success. It's not about society's standards. It's about what truly fulfills you. Craft your unique path. So there you have it. 5 facts to fuel your success journey. Hit that like button, subscribe for more wisdom, and let's conquer our dreams together. Until next time, stay inspired.
Once your video is all set and ready, it's time to download it. Now you can share your masterpiece on platforms like YouTube, Instagram, or TikTok. If you're eager to grow your account quickly and gain traction, here's a golden tip. Make it a habit to upload at least 2 to 4 short videos every day. Consistency is the key to attracting thousands and even millions of views. And guess what? If you check out the video at the end of the screen, you're in for a treat. I'm sure you'll love it. Stay tuned for more exciting content, and I'll catch you up in the next one. Happy creating!